So I have a sneaking suspicion that you guys are really gonna like this one. Holopaw is super wet. It's crazy deep out there, deeper than it's been in a while. It's so deep that it actually really helps to have a passenger, if they're about 100 pounds, on your front rack for better weight distribution, for more stability in deep water. But yeah, crazy deep out there. Somehow we didn't even sink anything. My snorkel wasn't quite tall enough, but we made it work. Dipped under a few times, but really good footage all the way through. A lot of the stuff with the girls at the end. So don't skip to the end. Watch the whole thing, or just skip to the end. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. This is a good one. I hope you guys get a kick out of it. I might make a longer one later. I have a bunch more footage to go through still. Yeah, it's on video. Smile, Tori. On the boat. Oh yeah. On the submarine. There's some. Yeah. Goal. No, he's gonna bury it and he's gonna winch it out. Just pull him back a little. Nice!
No way.
Tori, some away.
I can't see.
Can you take my drink? Oh, you can't touch here?
No.
It's deeper than her here.
Drown. Only with fucking you. I can't touch. Oh my god.
One of my favorite things about this clip is that her drink just went underwater.
My phone is in my case. How can it vibrate harder up here?
You like that?
No comment. Stop! It's not blinking. Oh, it fucking is blinking. Well,
Very premium overalls.
I can box in the hall. Okay, I'm like gripping. I'm gripping. If I'm coming up, you coming up with me.
Ready?
Catch me on YouTube, OnlyFans! See, I get the high side though. You get the low side.
We'll go find it.
Ooh, it's pretty deep here. I'm like, got it. And here we are. Oh my god.
So what this is Puppy ran out of gas.
But luckily is a fucking scientist.
Who needs gas? Who needs gas? Puppy, who needs gas?
Not me.